In this video, we're going to talk about the snapshot font and IR modes a little bit more in detail. The snapshot mode will take a screenshot of the current interface. So we can go ahead and select the snapshot. And notice it just took a picture of me here with the temperature as well. The font option will allow access to changing a few things here on the WLIR system. So we can go ahead and change fonts if you like here. We need to make them slightly larger. And let me move this a little bit out of the way so we can see it. Let me go ahead and apply this and notice my temperature measurement's now much larger. Again, we can also change it to something a little bit easier to see. I'm going to go ahead and select not symbol. That would be difficult to see here. Let's select the UI symbol and we'll keep it at 24. So again, now I can see this. It's a little bit cleaner. And again, it just aids my detection as I see here. It will also translate to the dual mode here. And we can go back to the IR mode, or you can just keep it in the single DC mode. The next option, again, as you saw, we can switch between modes here. What I like to do is I can actually just double click on an image and it expands to two modes, or I can go back to single mode, depending on which image I'm clicking on. The next step here is going into system settings and fine-tuning our WLIR system. We will cover this on the next video.